gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Before foldable phones became popular, most people imagined they were all about getting a bigger display. But have you ever seen a foldable that pushes multitasking so far it can even create a magnifying glass-style experience? The real advantage of a foldable isn't simply having more screen space, it's how efficiently that space is used for high-density multitasking.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The reality is that many people unfold their phones only to open a single spreadsheet or stretch a regular app across the larger display. While everything looks bigger, productivity doesn't actually improve. Whether you're trying to finish urgent work on a high-speed train, sitting in a cafe, or preparing for an important interview, constantly switching between apps can easily interrupt your concentration. That's exactly where OriginOS 6 Fold introduces its Atomic Workbench. Instead of simply opening a larger screen, it transforms the entire experience into a larger workspace, solving the common problem of multiple windows getting in each other's way. The biggest innovation is that it combines two completely different multitasking approaches on one foldable display. The first is serial mode, which works much like flipping through a stack of cards. One window always stays in the spotlight, while the remaining apps are neatly stacked along the side like a deck of playing cards. Just tap any card and it instantly comes to the front, making it ideal for tasks where you're constantly referring to different documents or information. With a slight bend of the display or a simple three-finger swipe upward, you can instantly switch over to parallel mode. This mode feels much more like using a desktop computer. Multiple windows remain open together, just like documents spread across a real desk, so you can view everything at once without repeatedly jumping between apps. You also have complete control over the layout. Simply press and hold the four corners of a window to resize it, or use a four-finger pinch gesture to quickly enlarge or shrink any window. If you regularly use the same group of apps, you can even save that layout directly to the desktop and reopen everything with just a single tap. Once you take Atomic Workbench to its full potential, it unlocks productivity scenarios that traditional slab phones simply can't match. Imagine working remotely with Tencent Meeting running a video call on the right, Atomic Notes capturing important meeting points on the left, WeChat at the top for instant replies to colleagues, and the Document Manager at the bottom, searching project files in real time. All four apps stay active simultaneously, so there's no need to keep switching back and forth. Even for everyday activities, the experience feels incredibly convenient. You can browse Xiaoheng shoe recommendations on one side, check Dianping reviews on the other, and keep your navigation open at the bottom, giving you every piece of information you need at a single glance. When this level of multitasking is combined with powerful on-device AI, it becomes much more than just a larger display. It turns into a genuinely smart productivity tool. One of the standout features is AI-powered cross-window drag and drop. While organizing your work, you can simply drag content from one app into another app. For instance, drag an image containing a table from the left window into an Office document or Atomic Notes on the right, and the AI instantly converts it into a fully editable table. Business cards can be dropped directly into the drag-and-drop keyboard, and even images containing foreign languages can be dragged seamlessly, with support for Chinese, English, Japanese, and Korean. Of course, if a foldable is going to serve as your main smartphone, productivity alone isn't enough. It also has to deliver an excellent camera experience.
The Vivo X Fold 6 has officially earned the nickname the Foldable Little Black DSLR, and there's a good reason for it. One of its biggest hardware highlights is that it's the first foldable smartphone to feature a Zeiss G2 teleconverter with a 200mm equivalent focal length. As we all know, telephoto cameras usually require plenty of internal space, and that's one thing foldable phones have very little of. Vivo's solution is both clever and practical. It uses an external teleconverter. Once the teleconverter is attached, it works together with the Zeiss 200mm Ultra main camera and the APO Super Telephoto lens to deliver a flagship-level shooting experience, almost like carrying a compact professional camera. The foldable design also unlocks several exclusive photography features. With the left side preview display, external screen monitoring, and an external screen teleprompter, you can enjoy full-screen shooting modes that are unique to foldable devices. It even gives you a dual waist-level viewfinder, creating a shooting style that feels remarkably similar to using a Hasselblad camera. It's a truly impressive setup. To handle these advanced productivity and camera features, the hardware underneath has been thoroughly upgraded as well. Vivo's optimization of its flagship lineup has already earned a strong reputation, and this time the X Fold 6 is powered by the custom-developed Dimensity 9500 Super Edition, created in close partnership with MediaTek. This processor delivers the performance needed for heavy multitasking as well as the phone's AI-powered features. Battery life is equally impressive. Every version comes equipped with a massive 7000 mAh Blue Ocean battery, paired with 80-watt wired flash charge and 40-watt wireless flash charge. Even in extremely cold conditions, the phone is designed to deliver stable and reliable power. For users who often work outdoors, the X Fold 6 also focuses heavily on durability. Its high-level triple protection design helps it withstand demanding environments, while maintaining reliable performance even in freezing temperatures. During everyday travel, Vivo's self-developed communication chip intelligently improves network routing in challenging signal environments, like high-speed trains and elevators, helping you maintain a more stable connection wherever you are. Both the inner and outer displays have also been upgraded with premium luminous materials, supporting 1 meter ultra-low light eye protection for a more comfortable viewing experience in dim environments. So if you're looking for a foldable phone that can genuinely handle multiple windows at the same time, keep up with long business trips, and deliver outstanding long-range photography, the Vivo X Fold 6 stands out as one of the strongest mobile productivity devices of the AI era, thanks to its industry-leading multitasking experience. The base version of the Vivo X Fold 6 starts at 7,999 yuan in China, which is approximately £889 in the UK and around $1,177 in the USA. A detailed full review will be coming soon, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe to the channel and become a part of our growing tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!